Hello, I will show you how to update the data, run the software and see the results for Profit System Rocker software. This is the dashboard screen. Here you can see current positions details. For example, current position is in short position. Entry was made on 16th August. Entry point, action required, exit point and next position details. From this screen you can navigate to other screens as well. You can see a OHLC button here, actions, tradebook trail, tradebook target, chart trail, chart target. I'll go to OHLC screen now. Here in this screen you will update all the data required for the software. And in the actions screen you can update the strategies and other parameters and run the software. And here in tradebook trail you can see the details, trade by trade and other statistics. And likewise you can also go and see the chart. I will navigate to OHLC screen now. I will show you how to update the data. I will show you how to get the data from the NSE website. Go to nseindia.com and get the indices data. Click on historical index data and the date required. We require it for 23rd August. Copy it, paste it here, and also copy the date. Okay, this completes updating the OHLC sheet. I will navigate to actions screen now. Here we can select and set various parameters like PS strategy, PS factor and other parameters. Now I am going to click on run now. You can see the status bar here. It takes a couple of minutes to run. It's almost over. By this action all values gets updated. You can see that you can see the updated OHLC till date 23 August as well as new values are updated here. We will go and see what's there in the tradebook trail. Tradebook trail gives the trade by trade details as well as other important statistics. As well as tradebook target is updated. Here this as well gives important statistics and other trade by trade details. I'll navigate to dashboard again. Navigate to chart trail. Here you can see the charting details. You can set up the charting parameters in actions screen. I am changing the parameters here. This updates the chart. Visit profitsystem.in to know more about profit system tools and concepts that helps in making only big profits in stock market. Thank you.